So now it's Rayo's turn for the EV rapid fire. Rayo, first question, what's the most expensive part in an electric vehicle?
I guess the entire battery pack.
Oh, yes, that's right. How long does an EV battery last?
In terms of number of years, or in terms of number of years, I guess about 8 to 10 years.
And how fast will the EVs charge?
Depends again what is the capacity of the battery pack. So on an entry level, if it's on a fast charger, I guess about 1 to 2 hours. If it's you're charging it at home, then I think overnight about 9 to 10 hours.
Okay. And how high are the maintenance costs of an EV?
The EV maintenance costs are supposed to be significantly lower than an ICE engine. So yeah, because there are less moving parts. So
Okay, I know you haven't driven them till now, but in terms of the way they look, which one has impressed you the most till now?
it has to be the Taycan, and really looking forward to all of them. The only one that I've driven a few years ago is the I-Pace, and that's fantastic. But I'm looking forward to all of them.
Awesome. Thank you so much. All the best.
Thank you.